So this task is related to eval expression. So this is an inbuilt function in Python which we can use to evaluate the expression which is given inside the parentheses. Let's see the example. It says 9 plus 5, so it is the output, that is 14. So that's how you can use eval function. You can see this example also, that length type. So let's see the task. You will have to read the expression line and read the line as a string variable and print the result using the eval. Okay, so it says Python 2 users, please import this and blah blah, but I will use Python 3 so that I can quickly read the input from this input function. So what I will do here, I will do eval and I will read the input from here, and I will just stripe it so that I can remove the /n part from the string, and let's run it. Yeah, so print, it worked fine. Let's see. Okay, so both test cases are executed. So that's how you can use the eval function.